Kamusta po kayong lahat at welcome po sa aking channel. Mainit-init po tong balita na to, no. Ito po na i-post na po ng Philstar Global of Philippine Star as of March 15, 2024 2:13 PM, kanina pong 2:13 PM. It's showtime to replace tahanang pinakamasaya as GMA's noontime show. Ito na po, no, talagang may kapalit na po talaga pala ang tahanang pinakamasaya. At ito po ang It's Showtime. 'Di ba? Natatandaan po natin ang It's Showtime po ay ume-air po sa GTV. Ito pala ay lilipat dito po sa mismong channel po ng GMA. Ito po, basahin po natin, no. Manila, Philippines, ABS-CBN noontime show It's Showtime will transfer to the GMA7 main channel according to a report. According to Filipino Star ngayon's El Guerrero, ABS-CBN and GMA are just finalizing details before they announce the big news. Yun na nga, no? It's Showtime moved to GTV last July after its declined TV5's offer to move the show to a delayed telecast at 4:30 PM to give way to the new show to be hosted by former Eat Bulaga mainstay Tito Soto, Vic Soto, and Joey De Leon. Yun na nga, no? Talagang ang isasalpak pala nila doon ay ang no, It's Showtime, no? Ayun, currently GMA7 airs Filipino movies in the noontime slot vacated by Tapes Inc., tahanang pinakamasaya. Television and production exponent Tape Inc. officially announced recently that tahanang pinakamasaya will go off air. It is with heavy heart that we inform our televiewers that our noontime show, tahanang pinakamasaya, on Kapuso Network GMA7 will no longer be on air effective March 8, 2024. Tape Inc. said in a statement. GMA7 kind consideration and understanding of the company's unwanted circumstances has been instrumental in helping the company in this transition. Despite our best effort to save the show, both parties have reached a mutual agreement to finally call off the show. Ayun na nga, no, napakatinding balita po to. Ayun na nga, magtatapat po pala ngayon talaga ang Eat Bulaga ng TV5 at ang It's Showtime na ililipat na po sa main channel ng GMA7. Maganda-ganda pong laban to at talaga pong ito po talaga nagtatagisan, 'di ba po, sa time slot na 'yan. At pero sana naman po naging friendly na lang po to, no, kasi parehas naman po silang gusto magbigay ng kasiyahan sa atin sa tanghalian, no. Anto, maganda to dahil talagang madadagdagan po yung entertainment sa main, no, ng mga main channel na yan, no. Kasi alam naman natin na ang GTV ay hindi po siya main channel ng GMA, no. Kumbaga ito po talagang kapuso, no. Kung ililipat po talaga ang It's Showtime, magiging maganda po to para sa channel. Ayun lang po, no. Maraming pong salamat at sana po wag niyo po sana kalilimutan na mag-subscribe sa aking channel for more news, update in showbiz and in politics and sa lahat po ng mga ganap dito po sa Pilipinas. Ingat po kayo lahat. It's me, PJ. God bless and peace out. Bye.